So, as I just recorded in my last video, that we should study the book of Elijah next. Shows you how much I know. I couldn't even find a book of Elijah. I could have swore there was a book of Eli, but then I think I was probably thinking of the movie with Denzel Washington in it. Now, I'm not going to say that that book is, or not that book, but that movie is for sure a word of Elohim or a word of God. But I will tell you from my own watchings of that movie that it does give you some oh really moments when you think about that when you come to the end. I'm not going to say things just because of the fact that I don't want to spoil for you. Because I'm going to recommend that maybe you should watch it. It is a post-apocalyptic movie. It does have Denzel Washington in it, Gary Oldman, and a few other people, including I cannot remember her name now. I almost want to call her Selena Gomez, but I know it's not her. It's the same gal that played in that 70s show and ended up with dating, I don't know if she finally married and they got married, Ashton Kutcher. But in the TV series, they were dating. I think her name is Mia or Mila or something like that. But yes, it's a very good movie you should go watch. Meanwhile, I'll be back later with some more of our Bible. Holy Bible to study. Good night.